Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI and I want to tell you about a great solution for your skincare. This is the 0.5% retinol in Squalane by The Ordinary, and my dermatologist recommended this to me because I normally break out a lot, especially in my forehead area, and this has really done the trick. After just a couple of weeks of use, I have already noticed some improvement in my skin. All the different tones in my skin are a little more even now. After I wash my face at night before going to sleep, I use the dropper to apply 3 or 4 drops of this solution into my fingers and then apply it all over my face. So if you're looking to improve into your skincare routine, I really recommend this solution by The Ordinary, and that is my point of view.